You guys, we waited so long for this to open. I think it's finally open, I'm not sure.
Yes.
Yeah, there's people walking in. So we've waited months for this grocery store to open. It's the Happy Time Asian Market. So we're excited it's finally open. We're gonna go check out what they have. Hopefully a lot of milk tea powder. That'd be cool. It'd be really cool. Maybe some exciting stuff, you guys. Let's find out. You guys, it's open, but it's like super empty. There's like the other half of this grocery store. There's nothing there. So I'm really hoping we can find Sakura milk tea, but I don't know about that. Oh, I do recognize that. Ooh, I'm not that brave. You guys, I bet they'd have, what is that called? Oh, that starts with an O. With the sticky rice and the mayo.
I know what you're talking about.
I don't know. That, or not origami. I can't think of it. Oh, I bet they would. You guys, we found the milk tea jackpot. You guys, I had to show how cute and pretty that is. Look at that. That's so cute. You guys, we kind of found a lot so far. Hey, Mandi Maniacs!
Hey, Shizumi!
So we have a haul for you.
A big haul.
That grocery store, we were so excited forever for it to open, and it seemed like it never would. It finally opened.
Isn't it? All right, let's start this thing. This bright yellow thing. So.
Oh, and by the way, I guess we should tell you guys, the grocery store is
Happy Time.
So, very exciting.
All right, so there's this weird, like, banana bread, it says.
Quite literal.
Yeah, it's bread that
Look, it's shaped like a banana. That's quite literal. That's awesome.
Very banana bread. All right, let's see what next we got. Next we have mango bread.
Mango bread.
It's the exact same thing. It just mango.
Not shaped like a banana.
Yeah, and
we think it's probably flavored. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm assuming it is.
Banana bread.
It looks like normal, like, sub bread.
But mango flavored.
Yeah, so I'm excited to try that.
Try that. That'll be pretty cool.
Alright, so next, cornbread.
And oh, you guys, this is the best part. Gotta get it with the glares. Now, look, it looks like actual corn.
Corn cobs.
How awesome is that? Like little corn cobs, but it's bread.
Yeah, it's cornbread.
Quite literal. I don't know if it'll taste like the cornbread we know, but that's cool.
So, we were so intrigued by this. It looks very strange. Let's see, what is this?
It's like pancakes filled with red bean paste.
Oh, this one's not the red bean
Oh, this
paste.
one's chestnuts.
So,
I think it'll taste like Nutella, but instead of hazelnut, chestnut.
interesting. It's like a pancake thing. We have a lot of bread-themed items.
Yeah, you're right. That's very accurate. And then they gave us these
For free.
For free. They're like, oh,
2
these are
packs
for
of
you
them.
guys. So we're like, oh, thank you.
2 packs.
It's kind of funny.
There's going to be another one making its appearance soon.
Somewhere there's another one of those.
Yeah.
They kept giving them to us. We're
Oh,
like, okay.
in this bag, actually. So we have this raspberry and blueberry Oreo.
That is unique.
I'm excited to try that. That'll be
I am
interesting.
too. That's kind of cool.
It's going to be interesting. And as you can see, we got another. And if you're wondering, they say Happy Time on them. So.
Yep.
Right.
I'm guessing maybe they're just opening promotion. We waited, what, like 3 months for these guys to open. We were excited.
Then we got another one of these Oreos. But this one's flavored like peach and grape.
Oh, that'll be interesting.
So that's going to be really cool.
Yeah, well.
Excited about that. There's so many bags here.
We have a lot.
Stuff.
I was hoping to find onigiri, but not yet. But they do have coming soon. They'll have food there.
Royal milk tea flavored like strawberries.
Ooh.
Then we have grape tea. We're gonna mix the milk.
We're gonna make
our
it
milk
into
tea.
like milk tea, so
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll work. And then we also have this one says sangria. Sangria fruit tea.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't think we got one of these. Okay, we did. So we got a matcha flavored Kit Kat.
Ooh.
that's gonna be exciting.
I'm a big fan of matcha, so that'll be
Okay,
fun.
here is our red bean paste pancakes.
Red bean paste pancakes.
I'm excited to try the red bean paste. The
Me
bean
too.
paste
I've
thing.
heard the hype, but I've never tried red bean paste before. So
There's
I'm
so
kinda
much
excited.
stuff here. Okay.
We kind of got really excited. We were like in Disneyland, you know, Pearland, maybe.
Then we got Taiwan rice cakes. They look like little mochis. They're assorted flavors. Does it say what all the flavors are?
Good question.
I don't think it does.
Not in English.
Yeah.
Mixed, it just says mixed variety.
Okay. Then we have this peach tea Oreo. Interesting.
One of the flavors is red bean paste. Oh, and I think another's ube and peanut. That'll be interesting.
And matcha.
That'll be cool.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, whoops, where you are. Oh my gosh, why is it so heavy?
I don't know. Oh, I know. I think it.
Oh, I think I know what it is too.
So we also got strawberry of those breads.
We went crazy on the breads.
All right, this is what's so heavy. Sticky sushi rice, it's called, which is just sticky rice.
Sushi rice.
Big pack, very
Who
heavy.
doesn't love a good sushi rice?
Sushi rice.
I forgot to get seaweed wraps with them, huh?
I know, right? Then we got, however you say that, candy.
What is it? Durian.
Durian candy.
Durian candy.
Durian candy.
We've never had durian fruit before, so that's gonna be really exciting, honestly.
Then we got salted vanilla Pocky.
Never had that flavor.
No.
Had a lot of Pocky, not that flavor.
And then this one is peach, melty peach. So peach,
Melty peach?
peach tea.
Ooh, that'll be delicious. We love peach tea. Yep. White peach and golden peach, to be specific.
Lots of peach.
So that is
Our big haul.
huge haul of the brand new Happy Time Asian grocery store. So
Yes.
we're pretty pumped, as you can see. Wait, somewhere we had, oh, there's our mochi. Okay, I'm like, wait, somewhere there's mochi. So I'll bring you guys in closer and we'll show you, get you a close up of it all, but it looks
Yes.
so good. I'm excited to try it.
Yeah.
What are you most excited to try?
Spreads.
The breads. The many breads.
Especially the cornbread. It looks funny.
It does look
So the
hilarious.
cornbread.
Cornbread. So there it is, guys.
Yes.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please follow or subscribe and hit that like
Go
button.
Shitswarmy. Bye.
So bringing you in closer to see it all. Mango bread. That's the corn bread.
Strawberry bread.
Strawberry bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Peach tea Oreos.
Yep.
Peach and grape Oreos. And peach and blueberry.
Guess I could probably just show them this one. That looks so cool. What do you think?
Very cool.
You pretty excited?
Yes.
So we definitely thought it was pretty cool. We're excited it's open and we'll probably be frequenting again, huh?
Yes.
They still have a lot of setting up to do. We noticed it was kind of half full, so
Yeah.
we're excited to see what more comes. They're also putting in like a, I don't know, like food court, an Asian food court. So that'll be exciting. My mom's looking forward to the dim sum. I'm looking forward to the onigiri. So we all have something we are setting up. So they said it'll be Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, a bunch of different options. So that's gonna be super, super exciting.